Today, let's talk about the brand new Pouch V2 from the brand ADD1D. I love this thing. And look at that. Here is the branding. So nice. Minimalist, super cool. I love ADD1D. They've got such a great selection of bags. They're always very well made. And this one is quite small, the Pouch V2, but is so useful. And inside, you've got so many little extras, details that will make your life so much easier. Really like this one. Is only in one color, in black, and it's out around £46 here in the UK. I will put the right price in US dollar just here right now. Hey, welcome to the channel. This is Lifestyle with Jerome. Here we talk about lifestyle products, skincare for men, fragrances and tech. Please consider subscribing to the channel and give a thumbs up if you like this video. Thank you. Okay, so normally I use my Pouch V2 like this. I put it around, and I think that's a great way to do. Be careful here with the mic. Okay, I think that's okay like this. You will notice here on the back of the Pouch V2, it's got some extra straps here. And what it is, it's so clever. What they've done is that you can attach this, for example, to your essential backpack. I've got here the essential backpack, a great backpack, by the way. I really like it. And you've got here the strap. So what you can do, I will show you, it's so simple. You can attach the other ones. Basically, that's the idea, and it stays connected like this. And that's super secure. You can have it like this, and it becomes an extra bag, which I think is actually really clever. By the way, if you don't have the essential backpack, have a look, because this is good, really good. Okay, so now I'm wearing my glasses because I have to do some reading, and without glasses it would be difficult for me. But as always, as every product from ADD1D is made with the X-PAC fabric, which is weather resistant, is super durable, is honestly super well made. I really love it. You cannot see any little mistake, I would say, or imperfections would be better. It's not. It's so great. It's unbelievable. The attention to details with ADD1D is incredible. It's another level. As always, it's got the Aquaguard zipper. They call them a YKK. I really hope I said it right. Yeah, so don't laugh if it said it wrong. Sorry about that. YKK Aquaguard zipper. They so nice. They're very good. So basically, in your bag like this, you've got the front pocket here with the minimalist branding, and this is a magnetic pocket. Okay, and here basically I've got my Pixel phone. Yeah, I'm a Team Pixel, by the way. So that's how it goes. You put the phone here, and that's it, and it's protected. It's okay, it's fine. If you've noticed, maybe when I remove the phone here, you've got this little hole here with a cross. And what it is, it's so clever, is that in the main compartment, if you've got like a power bank with a long cable, the cable can go through here. You close your bag, and while you're walking, you can hold your phone, and at the same time is charging and is attached to the power bank, and nothing will happen because this is super secure. I will show you in a minute how to do it. First, before we go with the main compartment, that's the back. You've got all those extra straps here. As I mentioned before, you can attach it to the essential backpack, as you've seen earlier. That's really good. And here, that's very strongly attached. It's really secure for the main straps. The zip are here, very easy, very nice, very smooth. And if you, just in case you think that something might happen, there is a clever way to put extra security in case there is non-authorized access to your bag. I will show you in a second now how to do it. It's really, really clever. Then, once you open inside, you've got your main compartment. It's not the biggest, but it's fine. I love the orange color here, so good. So, you've got always a keychain. That's good, very secure. Love a good keychain. Inside here, you can put some cards, credit cards, for example. But I've got the great wallet from ADD1D. Yeah, I've got it here. I love these things. This is magnetic also. It's really good, and you can get some card out and back in. Really, really nice with extra zip, and also a little pen. Can you see the pen? Yes, it's really good. So nice. It's incredible. The quality is very nice. So I've got this inside. Okay, so that's the bag, that's the Pouch V2. Do I recommend it? Well, yeah, if you are looking for a small bag because you don't want a big backpack, or if you've got an essential backpack and you want an extra bag for storage, for example, to store your phone and your power bank, and you want to walk, you know, charging your phone at the same time, well, that's the one to get. Is really nice. The fabric feels so good, and everything is extremely well made. If you got an action cam, like I've got the Insta360 Go Ultra, and you want to go out and film, well, it fits here. It's perfect. That's really a small bag, but it's so useful and so well designed, and the quality is incredible, and the attention to details is really, really fantastic. Thank you for watching. As I said before, if you like this type of content, consider subscribing to the channel, and I see you very soon here with more and more reviews. That's ADD1D, and all the links, the affiliate links, and also the link to the blog are in the description box. Thank you for watching.